Hi there, students. Portage. Okay, portage is a noun. It means transport. It means the act of carrying something, or the charge for carrying something, or for transporting something. So if you buy something in internet, normally it says shipping charges. But portage is just a posh word for shipping or shipping charges. Yeah? Delivery charges. Okay? Portage. So the portage of this item cost 25 euros. Okay, portage, carrying something or transporting something, or the cost to do it as well. The portage charges were very high. The shipping charges. Let's see. Portage itself is probably more commonly a noun about boats, particularly carrying a boat over land between two rivers or between two waterways. It makes me think of two canals in the UK. And in the old times, one canal was about 30 meters above the other. And they used to have cranes that used to lift up the barges and put them down in the other canal. That is portage, okay? Carrying a boat over land. I think the Vikings were very good at portage as well. It could also be the route for doing that. So, portage, shipping charges, the cost of carrying something. It could also be the capacity of a vehicle or a ship, the tonnage. The portage of this ship is 70,000 tons, for example. Okay, so portage. Okay, how formal is this? This is a formal word. I'd give it a 7.5. It sounds posh and formal. I can imagine a lawyer using this word instead of shipping. The portage charges made were excessive. Yeah? Okay, so portage, the shipping charges, the carrying charges. And then as to origin, well, it comes from the French verb porter, which itself comes from portare in Latin, porto, to carry, and that itself comes from Proto-Indo-European, per, meaning to go or traverse from one place to another. So, portage charges, shipping charges, portage, carrying something. A portage company even, yeah, a delivery company. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Portage.